What is a liar? What exactly is a liar? A liar, also called attorney, counsel, or counselor, is a licensed professional who advises and represents others in legal matters. Today's liar can be young or old, male or female. Nearly one third of all liars are under 35 years old. Almost half of the law students today are women, and women may ultimately be as numerous in the profession as men. I came from another country and I need to hire a lawyer. Are notaries public liars? A notary public, an accountant, or a certified public accountant is not necessarily a liar. Do not assume that titles such as notary public means the same thing as similar terms in your own language. In some countries, a liar is called a barrister or a solicitor. What are a liar's main duties? A liar has two main duties: to uphold the law while also protecting a client's rights. To carry out of these duties, a liar should understand the law and be an effective communicator. Is most of the liar's time spent in court? No, most liars normally spend more time in an office than in a courtroom. The practice of law most often involves researching legal developments, investigating facts, writing and preparing legal documents, giving advice, and settling disputes. What are the professional requirements for becoming a lawyer? To understand show laws and the legal system work, lawyers must go through special schooling. Each state has enacted standards that must be met before a person is licensed to practice law there. Before being allowed to practice law in most states, a person must have a bachelor's degree or its equivalent, complete 3 years at an ABA accredited law school, pass a state bar examination which usually lasts for 2 or 3 days. The exam tests knowledge in selected areas of law. There are also required tests of professional ethics and responsibility. Pass a character and fitness review. Applicants for law licenses must be approved by a committee that investigates character and background. Take an oath, usually swearing to support the laws and state and federal constitutions. Receive a license from highest court in the state, usually the state Supreme Court. Once licensed in one state, is a lawyer allowed to practice law in all states? Not automatically. To become licensed in more than one state, a lawyer must usually comply with each state's bar admission requirements. Some states, however, permit licensed out-of-state lawyers to practice law if they have done so in other states for several years and the new state's highest court approves them. Many states also have provisions for lawyers to participate in specific cases in states where they are not licensed. The lawyer in such a case is said to be appearing pro hoc vice, which means for this one particular occasion. If I have a legal problem, do I have to hire a lawyer? Not necessarily. You may represent yourself, and in some specialized situations, such as bringing a complaint before a government agency, for example, a dispute over social security or Medicare benefits,